Yep, we rented a van in Australia. We are Matt and Angie. We are a couple and we are traveling wherever our hearts and wallets bring us. Our adventure on YouTube began 2 years ago on a self-converted van, and since we were missing van life so much, why not renting one? And this will also be our first time driving on the left side of the road.
Good morning!
Good morning!
Our first task today is to actually go pick up something that will make us legal to drive here in Australia.
And to do so, we have to go to the Italian consulate.
And in about 1 hour, we made it. We have the translated driving licenses, because that's what we had to grab. We ordered them online, and it was not an easy process, but we made it.
We made it. They last 6 months, and we paid about $35 US dollars each.
Yeah, so about 30 euros, which is not cheap, but at least we can drive. And now it's actually time to go pick up the van. We are actually super lucky because the spot where we have to pick it up is quite near.
As Italian, I'm a little bit scared of all this driving situation, because here you have to drive on the opposite side of the road, and it's my first time.
Up the van.
Yes!
Awesome.
Hi!
Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Cutlery.
Perfect.
Don't drink it.
No?
It's just for washing the hands.
Like all times, I'm the first one behind the wheel. I'm quite nervous as well as Angie, because it seems intimidating. The good thing though is that it's automatic, so we'll see. I wanna die. I'm so scared, but it's really intimidating, baby. I think we'll arrive in Sydney in 20 years. You've already made the wrong turn. It's impossible to turn like this. I'm sweating and there's AC, thank God.
Yes, our speed is 20 kilometers per hour.
I'm dying. I'm dying. This is the most challenging thing I've ever done in my life.
You're doing great, baby.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for saying so.
Our first stop is the grocery shopping, because we need to buy some food to eat lunch and also dinner, and plan a little bit all this first day.
I'm so hungry! So we decided to stick to lunch because doing the first big grocery with a hungry stomach, it's not good. No. So and also I think I want to switch to Woolworths for the big groceries, because I think Coles is pricier. Lunch. Very random.
We have some sweet potato and cashew cream, nacho chips, white grapes, and big bananas.
Huge bananas. Buono! Boia! Okay, and now that we are no more hungry, it's time to go grocery shopping at Woolworths.
And this time I will drive.
Yes, and I will die. First, roundabout.
Oh my god, it was a little bit more scary, but I did it.
You did it.
We did it.
High five.
Let's go grocery shopping. This is the grocery of my dreams. Okay, grocery done, and we also bought some ice for the fridge.
For the cooler. Good to go. It took us a while to decide where to go, and I'm not sure we're gonna make it in a reasonable amount of time, because it's a quite long drive to get there. But we figured it out. It was impossible to sleep in Adelaide because there are no free campgrounds and you have to pay for them, and it's like 40 Australian dollars, and we are attempting to free camp in a place. Water. Snack, snack. One healthy, one less healthy. And it's time to properly drive. Let's go. But we made it. And there are other two vans parked in this parking spot. The beach is there, spoiler. And there are also toilets where we're gonna go now because I need to pee. Wow, this place is so beautiful. The moon is so shiny and spectacular, and the sea, and I cannot wait to see this place even with the sunlight. Me too. I cannot wait to sleep in the van actually as well.
Me as well.
So you guys, if you are excited as we are for this Australian adventure, you gotta subscribe because we are gonna explore
a lot.
So see you guys in the next one.
Bye.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching. I have to keep the right. First of all, lights also.
You have to keep the
left. The left, not the right.